Hey, it's National Poetry Day on the 6th of October, so let's work out how to create a voiceover poem using Adobe Express. So it's very simple to get going. You just press the plus and go down to video. Going to give it a name. Mine's called Why I Run, and there's all sorts of lesson plans and ideas in the link to the description of this video, and I'll just click next. Now I usually just start from scratch here, but you can choose one of these if you like. While that's loading, let's have a look at my poem. This is Why I Run, and on the right hand side I've got little prompts of things I want to use and videos I'm actually going to put in there as well. Our video's now loaded. I'm going to put my title on. I'm going to use the full screen layout and then click in the center, put some text in, Why I Run. Now in the background here, I'm going to go for photo. Now all of these photos, they're all completely free, copyright free. I'm going to choose this one here. I think that's pretty cool. And also I'm going to change the theme to my poem. And let me think, maybe the noir one looks good. And I think maybe I'll keep it nice and moody and go for the kind of green and black look. So now that I've got my title screen in there, I'm going to add another slide. You can see down the bottom here, got these extra slides. I'm also going to hide the credits and the outro as well. And then you've got a nice clean template to work from. So the first bit of my video is here. They ask me why I run. So here I'm just going to record my voiceover, press and hold it and say what you need to say. They ask me why I run. And then you can see in my little template here, or my little doc here, the thing I want to search for is running track. Stick it in there. What have we got? Now I'm looking for something like this one. Now what you can do here is you can put some text in if you want to. You can put those in as captions by changing the layout, selecting caption, and then you get this little box here. I'll paste it, maybe I'll bring the size down again as well. And then I'll also put it into the top left there. And you can check that slide to see if everything comes together nicely. They ask me why I run. Right, so we got some music on there that goes on by default. I feel like it's a little bit loud, so I've just turned it down a bit. And then also I'm going to search for something a little bit more thoughtful maybe. So we've got this thoughtful section here. I like that one, that's good. So we're in there now. Create a new slide. Next part of my poem here is why I put on my trainers just for fun. So I can put text in there if I want, but maybe I won't on this one. Now for this section, I'm going to go for this video that I found. Now you can shoot video on, whatever device you've got, like an iPad for example, but I'm going to use some free ones from Pexels. I think they're really good. You can see it's downloading to my computer there. And now that's downloaded, what I can do is just drag that into there. You can also select it as well. And then you can see you've got this little button on here. And this means that the video is now aligned to my narration or my voiceover, and I can grab this little piece of video here and I can choose whichever section I want, but it's all the same. It's just a guy lacing up his trainers. So I'm going to click save here. Now for my next section, what I think I'll do here is why I listen for the starter's gun. I'll copy that, and then this time in the layout, I think I'll choose a split screen, and that means I can have text on one side and I can increase the size of that text. And here, when I'm searching for photo, I'm going to search for sprint start. Nice, I like this. So I might choose something like this one, for example. Now I can do things with this photo, like zooming it in and then just moving it along so we can see more of the hands. I like that. Record my voiceover again. So all I need to do now is start building up my poem using those same sort of techniques. So I'll do these next ones quite quickly. And there you go, that's how simple it is. You can also play around with icons, so have a look at those as well. But when you're ready, you can download it to your computer just by pressing the download button here, or you can share it just by clicking share and then publish. You can create that link and it will create your almost ready link, which you can copy. And then when it's ready, you'll be able to paste that into a browser and it'll sit on its very own web page. And you can also go back into your project and share it via Google Classrooms or Microsoft Teams. And there you go. That's how you create a voiceover poem using Adobe Express. And I cannot wait to see yours.